Today, I am reviewing the ASUS ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The ASUS ROG Strix G16 for 2026 is a machine that sits in a very specific spot in the current gaming landscape, and spending time with it makes it clear exactly who this is for and, perhaps more importantly, who it might not be for. If you are curious about the current pricing or want to check out the technical specifications in more detail, you can find helpful links below this video where you can see the latest configurations and market availability. Getting a clear sense of where this laptop lands in the market requires looking past the aggressive styling and focusing on what it actually delivers during a long session of use. When you first pull the Strix G16 out of the box, it hits you that this is not trying to be the thinnest or lightest ultrabook on the market. It is a substantial piece of hardware. The build quality feels dense and reliable, which is exactly what I look for in a primary gaming rig. ASUS has maintained that signature ROG aesthetic, but they have refined it enough that it does not feel like a relic from 5 years ago. The full surround RGB light bar is certainly a bold choice. Some people are going to absolutely love the way it glows across the desk, and others are going to immediately look for the settings to tone it down or turn it off entirely, which is thankfully very easy to do if you prefer a more understated, professional look in your workspace. The 16-inch display is a highlight, though it is important to manage expectations here. It uses a 16:10 aspect ratio, which is a major win for productivity. Having that extra vertical space for editing software, web browsing, or just having more lines of code visible while you work is something you quickly grow to appreciate. The 165 Hz refresh rate keeps everything feeling fluid, and the 3 milliseconds response time is right in the sweet spot for fast-paced titles where every millisecond of latency reduction counts. The new ACR film that ASUS has integrated is a nice touch for reducing glare. I have used this in rooms with overhead lighting and near windows, and it manages reflections better than many other matte panels I have tested recently. However, while it is vibrant and sharp, it is still a standard FHD Plus panel. It is plenty clear for a 16-inch screen, but if you are doing professional color-accurate work or you have been spoiled by higher resolution or OLED panels, you might find yourself wanting just a bit more crispness. Under the hood, we're looking at the Intel Core i7-14650HX processor paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060. This combination is highly competent for 1080p gaming and even stretches into higher resolutions comfortably when you utilize features like DLSS 4. The Blackwell architecture in the 5060 provides a nice efficiency boost, and when you are pushing this machine in demanding titles, you can feel that it has the headroom to keep frame rates consistent. It handles modern AAA titles without breaking a sweat, provided you are reasonable with your settings. I found that I could maintain very playable frame rates in graphically intensive games by relying on intelligent upscaling, which is where this GPU really shows its value compared to older generations. The thermal management on the Strix G16 is one of its strongest selling points. ASUS has put a massive amount of engineering into the cooling system, including a full-width heatsink and the use of liquid metal on the chipset. When you are gaming, the fans will definitely ramp up, and there is no getting around that level of noise. You're going to hear it, especially in performance or turbo modes. That said, the noise profile is a consistent hum rather than a high-pitched whine, which makes it much easier to ignore if you are wearing a decent pair of noise-canceling headphones. More importantly, the cooling does exactly what it is designed to do. The keyboard deck stays cool to the touch, and the heat is effectively pushed out the back and sides, meaning your hands are rarely sitting on a hot surface during an intense session. Regarding memory and storage, you get 16 GB of DDR5 RAM out of the box and a 1 TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. For the vast majority of gamers, this is the perfect starting point. The system feels snappy, apps load quickly, and you have enough space to install a decent-sized library of games before you start thinking about cleanup. One of the best design choices here is the accessibility. ASUS has made this laptop very easy to open up for upgrades. If you decide in a year that you want to move up to 32 GB or 64 GB of RAM or throw in an additional drive for your massive game collection, the process is straightforward and does not require an engineering degree. That level of user-friendliness is surprisingly rare in this category, and it adds significant long-term value to the purchase. The keyboard experience is worth mentioning because you will be spending hours on it. It has a good amount of travel, and the keys feel satisfyingly tactile. It is not quite at the level of a high-end mechanical keyboard, but for a membrane-based laptop board, it is well above average. The layout is clean, and the spacing prevents most accidental key presses during heated moments in competitive shooters. The trackpad is also quite large and responsive. It uses a glass surface that feels smooth and premium under the finger, though the click mechanism has a slightly hollow sound that reminds you that even the best gaming laptops have to make trade-offs somewhere to save on weight and internal space. When we talk about battery life, we have to keep our feet on the ground. This is a 16-inch gaming laptop with a high-performance HX series processor. It is never going to compete with a dedicated productivity ultrabook. You might squeeze out a few hours of light web browsing or document editing if you drop the brightness and switch to a silent mode, but the moment you start gaming, you need to be plugged into the wall. The power brick is large, so it is something you will need to account for if you're planning to throw this into a backpack for a day on campus or at the office. It is portable enough to be moved from room to room, but it is not a machine designed to be used away from an outlet for extended periods. Connectivity is a strong suite for this model. With Wi-Fi 7 on board, you are future-proofed for faster network speeds, assuming your router supports it. The port selection is also generous, featuring a good mix of USB-A and modern connectivity options. The presence of these ports means you are less likely to need a bunch of dongles or an expensive docking station to get your peripherals set up. Whether you are plugging in an external mouse, a mechanical keyboard, or a high refresh rate monitor, the Strix G16 provides a very stable and convenient base of operations. Who is this laptop for? If you are a student or a professional who wants a single machine that can handle heavy creative tasks during the day and high-end gaming at night, this is a very strong contender. The combination of the HX series CPU and the RTX 5060 makes it an efficient workstation for video editing or 3D modeling as well. It is a workhorse that does not feel like a compromise. It is for the person who values raw performance and build quality over ultimate portability. Conversely, who should avoid it? If you're looking for something that fits into a tiny satchel, or if you need 8+ hours of battery life to get through a full day of meetings without a charger, this is not the right choice for you. It is also not the ideal machine if you're obsessed with having the absolute highest resolution possible. If you're someone who only plays light indie games and wants a machine primarily for media consumption and browsing, you can certainly find something thinner, lighter, and more battery efficient for less money. Ultimately, the ASUS ROG Strix G16 2025 comes down to how you balance your needs. It succeeds because it nails the essentials. It is fast, it stays cool, it is easy to upgrade, and it handles everything you throw at it with confidence. It does not try to be a sleek luxury item, and it does not try to be an entry-level budget machine. It is a classic, high-performance gaming laptop that gets the job done. While the fan noise can be noticeable under load, and the FHD Plus screen might leave a very small demographic of users wanting more resolution, the total package is incredibly cohesive. You are getting a machine that feels like it was built to last for a few years of solid, heavy use, and in an industry where laptops are often replaced far too quickly, that is a quality I really value. If you are currently deciding between a few different models, think about what you actually do on your computer every day. If your life involves a mix of productivity and gaming, the 16:10 display and the sheer internal power of this device make it a compelling choice. The design is a bit aggressive, but once you start customizing the RGB and getting into the rhythm of your work or play, it stops being a visual statement and just becomes a tool. It is reliable, it is powerful, and it is a consistent performer. When you compare it against the broader market of 2025 gaming laptops, it holds its own by refusing to cut corners on the things that actually matter for the day-to-day experience of a user. The investment you make in a laptop like this is really about buying a consistent experience, and the Strix G16 delivers that consistently well. I would suggest spending some time in the software suite that comes pre-installed to tune the fan curves and performance profiles to your liking. Most users leave these on automatic, but if you take 10 minutes to set up a silent profile for when you are browsing the web and a turbo profile for when you are gaming, you can really change the way the laptop feels during your day. It is these small, personal adjustments that turn a good laptop into a great companion. While no piece of tech is perfect, and this one certainly has its quirks like the weight and the fan noise, it earns its keep by being a machine that you can rely on to perform exactly the same way every time you press the power button. Whether it is the right match for your specific desk setup depends on whether you value performance and future-proofing over absolute minimalism and portability. Given how well it handles the latest titles and its solid construction, it is hard not to recommend it as a primary machine for someone who wants to take their gaming and their work seriously. It has been a steady and capable piece of hardware that does not promise the world but manages to deliver everything it advertises, which is really all you can ask for in a premium gaming device. If you end up picking one up, spend some time getting to know its settings, and you will likely find that it becomes a central part of your digital life very quickly. It is not just about the numbers on the spec sheet. It is about how that hardware translates into actual, real-world utility, and in that regard, the Strix G16 remains a very sensible and powerful option in a crowded market.